Hello, this is the unboxing video for the Edwin Jagger 316 stainless steel safety razor. Let's have a look inside. Comes nicely presented. Tissue paper and plastic. Very nice knurling. Some foam packaging. And 5 feather blades. Okay, we'll get on to compare them with some other razors. So here's a comparison. This is the Edwin Jagger 316. This is the Merkur HD34C. This is a Weber stainless and a future Chinese equivalent, not original future, but gives you an idea of the difference in sizes. Okay, let's weigh them. Comparison. So this is the Edwin Jagger. It's coming at 89 grams. Merkur HD 79. Weber stainless 98. And the future equivalent 86 is not going to be as heavy as their future, but just gives you an idea. So there we have it. Very nice, not very shiny, overly shiny, glossy, but it's got like a satin finish to it. A nice quality. Can't see any blemishes. The balance seems to be towards the end rather than the head, slightly. We'll see how it shows, but thanks for watching.